Hello! In this video I will show you why and how I put a real person in my video game. Look, Ranieri. Who am I? I'm Caton l'aubergiste, a French Latin teacher. This explains why my English is so broken. I'm developing a video game, not like the others but entirely in Latin. The world is ancient, the characters speak Latin and the menus are in Latin. Who's Luke Ranieri? He became famous on YouTube for not doing silly things or spreading false news, but for reading, teaching and even speaking Latin. He's a kind of icon in Viving Latin.
Salvete! Ego magister sum, et vos discipuli estis.
I like his face and expressions, especially when he raises his eyebrows. Look at this.
Tu, et tu, et tu, et tu, vos, et ego, nos, discimus linguam
He
latinam.
has a strong charisma in video. Even Severine Tarantino, who is a French goddess in Viving Latin, she speaks Latin with her children, takes part to his videos. This is why I want to put Luke in my game. Maybe thanks to him, my game will become more popular. 0 plus 0, plus my friend, plus 0, plus me, plus 0. So I took a picture of him and I tried to imitate his face. After some work, proportions of the face are correct. Nose, eyes, mouth are about in the right place. The result is not perfect, but from a distance I think we won't notice it. Even his eyebrows can raise. I dressed him in a toga. I import 3D model in Unreal Engine. I had to adjust some settings like size and skin. The skin of the character is shiny as if it was made of plastic. It's simple to adjust like this. I want his toga to have a blue border, because my character of fuel use already has an orange border, like this. I assign him an animation made on another website, a greeting animation. I want him to play the role of a horse trader, so I place a fruit stand next to him, which I picked up from another website, it's called Sketchfab. I put a Latin inscription on it, Luci Taverna. I adjust some settings like this. It seems good. I want also him to speak.
Salve!
He's going to say salve.
Salve! 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 Salve!
Now let's try the game.
Salve!
Sul te serve, te pulso.
Julius is always angry. Lewis,
Salve!
Lewis Zoom, Lewis.
Salve!
Here it is.
Salve! Salve!
Salve.
Salve!
I would like to add more dialogues,
Salve.
quests, items to find, questions to answer. I would also like us to be
Salve.
able to play the game on Mac or Android.
Salve!
Lewis. When my character is jumping, he speaks Latin too.
Salve! Salve!
Il mio non get to
Salve!
Ubi sunt mi? Ubi sunt mi? Sul teserului. Te pulso.
Julius always wants his money back.
Salve.
Sul teserului. Te pulso.
Salve.
Quid?
Now I'm dead. Soon I will send my video to Luke and I hope he will like it.